Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with CJ Dropshipping Platform Deep Dive My Fulfillment Experience Review. CJ Dropshipping is a platform that connects dropshippers with suppliers, primarily in China. It aims to streamline the entire dropshipping process, from product sourcing and order fulfillment to shipping and tracking. It's targeted towards e-commerce entrepreneurs, particularly those using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and eBay. Key features include product sourcing, automated order fulfillment, warehousing, and shipping options. Their website provides details on their various pricing plans and the features included in each. They emphasize ease of use, claiming their platform simplifies complex dropshipping tasks. While they don't explicitly advertise no hidden fees or no contracts, their pricing structure appears relatively transparent, outlining different membership tiers and transaction fees. Compared to some competitors, CJ Dropshipping offers a more integrated approach, handling more aspects of the dropshipping process in-house. They leverage technology to automate many tasks, from order processing to inventory updates. You can sign up and explore their product catalog directly on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using CJ Dropshipping. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. The registration process was quick, and their website offers helpful tutorials and guides for new users. Navigating the platform was initially a little overwhelming due to the sheer number of products and features, but I quickly got the hang of it. I used their product sourcing tool to find a few trending items for my test store and connected it to my Shopify account. Placing test orders was easy, and I could track the entire fulfillment process directly within the CJ Dropshipping dashboard. The processing and shipping times varied depending on the supplier and shipping method. A couple of orders arrived within a week, while others took closer to 2 weeks. The quality of the products I ordered was decent, meeting my expectations based on the supplier's descriptions and images. I did have a question about a delayed shipment, and their customer support responded within a day via email, resolving the issue promptly. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, providing a clear overview of my orders, inventory, and shipping costs. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated order fulfillment, saving me a significant amount of time and effort. One minor drawback was the slightly confusing interface for customizing product listings. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings for things like product variants and pricing. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using CJ Dropshipping. While it has a few quirks, it generally met my needs and simplified many aspects of my dropshipping business. That's my overview of CJ Dropshipping Platform Deep Dive My Fulfillment Experience Review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.